Welcome back, guys. So we'll be using stretch braid, spectra, a hairbrush, a tail comb, brilliant potion or any oil of your choice, some hairbands, hair clip. So I'll be pouring brilliant potion on these hairbands just to prevent my hair from trapping or cutting under these hairbands. I've gone ahead to section my hair in that triangle shape, and we're gonna split this shape into half in this middle part, and I'm gonna lay the hair extension on that middle part. Then I will wrap over on top of the hair extension with a hairband, my natural hair. So this is very simple and easy technique. I actually was inspired by this technique by Lovett Speak. I think it's a perfect technique if you don't know how to hold your roots tight, or you don't even know how to braid, and especially when you're doing big braids like what we're gonna be doing today. So please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Like and share. Hit the notification button to be notified every time I upload a new video. So guys, as you can see, I'm gonna hold tightly my hair on top of this hair extension as described previously. It is very simple. All you need to do is to make sure it's tight enough, and I'm gonna split after wrapping the hairband and then pull so that it's gonna come out very nice and tight. So that's what I mean. And I'm gonna go on top of it with Gorilla. I didn't have my edge control at the minute, so I'm using Gorilla. Gorilla is equally good. It holds down your hair very firm, and although it looks gooey from the start, but when it dries off, it dries very clear. So I'm gonna go in with my edge brush just to smoothen, guys. I've got a lot of growth. My hair is due for relax, but I just wanted to do protective styling to grow a bit more before I go in with my relax. I'll be showing my next video about how I relax my hair. So please do stay tuned if you haven't subscribed yet, and do subscribe and hit the notification button to be notified every time I upload a new video. Please do enjoy the background music.